everyone, my name is Hina Nazir. I am one of the students at FLC. I have recently passed my OET exam in my first attempt by the grace of God. So here I am to share my experience with FLC. First thing I have experienced is that the whole FLC team is very much cooperative. Secondly, Sir Charlie not only help us in our studies, but also very motivates us. Whenever I think that I can do it, Sir Charlie motivates me a lot and help me throughout my OET journey. So thirdly, which thing I have experienced here, that the schedules are very flexible, so we can easily manage with our duties. So here I am to share that everyone who is struggling with OET, don't be worried and don't be panicked. You can do it, have faith in yourself, and don't think to take second and third attempt. Just have faith in yourself and everything is possible with God and all your efforts. Thank you very much.